alone?
Covered in slime!
Give you a hand. You can't continue when you're slimed. Wait.
Whoa!
Look.
See what we got here. Stairs. That's scary. Because I'm a fat person. No, I'm not. I swear I'm not. I'm only 400 pounds. That's acceptable as a Ghostbuster.
There it is! Yuck.
What the
I've seen
fuck?
these before. Nest monster. Its eyes are...
Oh, whoa!
But it'll take something to make them open.
Okay. Whoa!
That's not working. It's closing its eyes when you shoot it.
Ah! Oh! I got you, you fat bastard! Get over here! Come on! Get over here! That's right, fat boy!